Difference between accident, near miss, and incident. 1. Accident. Definition. An accident is an unplanned event that results in injury, illness, property damage, or fatality. Examples. 1. Worker slips and fractures a leg. 2. Fire causing equipment damage. 3. Chemical splash causing eye injury. Result: loss or injury has already happened. 2. Near miss. Definition. A near miss is an unplanned event that did not cause injury or damage but had the potential to do so. Examples. 1. Tool falls near a worker but doesn't hit. 2. Chemical spill cleaned immediately with no exposure. 3. Forklift narrowly avoids hitting a person. Result: no loss but high risk. 3. Incident. Definition. An incident is a general term for any unplanned event that results in or could have resulted in injury, damage, or loss. Examples. Minor cut, first aid case. 2. Gas leakage detected and controlled. 3. Small fire extinguished quickly. Result can include accident plus near miss.